Homework 2.8.2, number 1524 in the special question. First, the special question says approximate the value of pi using Newton's method. You can use y equals sine x for this. So first we know sine x, and we got to find the derivative, which is cosine x. And then for Newton's method, xn equals x minus sine over cosine. And my guess is 3. So I go on to 3, and then I enter the equation, and then I take that output and plug it in and enter it, and I take this output and plug it in and enter it, and I should end up getting about 3.1416, which is my guess for pi. 15 says, use Newton's method to find the zeros. F of x equals 1 minus x plus sine of x. So I take this equation and I find the first derivative, negative 1 plus cosine x, and then I use Newton's method, 1 minus x plus sine x over negative 1 plus cosine x, and that's all minus x. And I use my guess, which is 2, which I believe is given. And then I go to 2 and I plug it into this equation, and then I take the answer and plug that in. I take that answer and plug that in, and I should get about 1.9346, which should be x. And then 24 says apply Newton's method using the given initial guess and explain why the method fails. So I was given this equation with the guess as x equals 0. And so I first find the derivative, and then I use Newton's method, find the equation with Newton's method, and then I use the guess as 0 and plug that in, and I get negative 1. Then I plug negative 1 in and I get 0. And if you keep on plugging the 0 in, you should get negative 1. Then you plug a negative 1, you get 0. It just repeats. So it does not exist because it just continues indefinitely. You'll never reach the close enough number, like the smallest number, and it just won't stop. So yeah.